Hi, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining me, and welcome to Shine and Breathe, a peaceful moment just for you. Come to a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down. Close your eyes, clear your mind, and come into this present moment. Inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, belly toward the spine. Breathe in and out of your nose. Taking deep, cleansing breaths. Feel your breath as nourishment to your body. Allowing yourself to relax. Breathing in a soft light. Breathing out and letting go. Let go of anything that no longer serves you. Inhale light. Exhale, release. You are safe. You are here. And you are growing. Feeling relaxed and open to receive. Let's speak some words that help us grow inside. You can say them quietly or out loud. I am growing every day. I am learning new things. I am proud of who I am becoming. It's okay to take my time. I trust myself. I grow through love and kindness. I grow when things are easy and when they're hard. My heart is open. My mind is strong. I am growing into the best version of me. Let each word plant a seed of light inside you. You are growing, blooming, and becoming, just like a flower in the sun. Imagine a tiny, glowing seed in your heart, warm and golden. This is your inner growth. Watch as it sprouts slowly and gently into a bright plant reaching for the sky. You are like that plant. Growing a little more every day. Reaching higher. Shining brighter. Your light is your sunlight. Your love is your water. Your kindness is your soil. Let that growing plant grow as big as you want. You are blooming beautifully. Take a deep breath in and a soft breath out. Feeling love and feeling gratitude. You are growing. You are enough. And your light makes the world better. Coming back to this present moment, wiggle your fingers and toes. Carrying this love and this gratitude with you throughout each moment of your day. Thank you so much for sharing this space with me. The light within me sees and honors the light within you. Namaste.